It's a rainy day. Decided to do a little work inside the truck. Third video here. I actually did some work yesterday outside the truck. Got my flexible transmission hose. It came in from eBay. Got all the water lines hooked up. Still got to hook some heater hoses up. Waiting on my manifolds. Then I'll start undertaking the Y pipe process, I guess. We're running single exhaust on this truck. But what I've done inside is cut the hole for the shifter, and it's pretty much where I want it. I'm not going to go ahead and anchor it down until I get all the hardware for the 350 turbo for the mounting brackets for my cable, and then I of course got to get the cable also. But all this stuff right here was, I guess when you hit the brake it moved this so you could shift it out of park, but I'm just going to do away with that. I mean, you have to push the button anyways where you get out of park, and it'll still have reverse lockout and everything like that, and that's all I really need. As for the hole where the original shifter once went, as you can see there, I want it to, you can see all the way through to the transmission. I might have to put a piece of sheet metal or something in there, and maybe put, I guess I should have kept a patch of carpet. Well, it's too late now. I'll try to get something to match up good enough. That's pretty much what I've got so far, but you can tell she will shift whenever we get the cable going here. We'll have us something. I wish I could show you the transmission dipstick. I mean, that's really no big deal, but it's in. Got a piece of plastic covering the hood, or well, what's supposed to be a hood. More videos to come. I still gotta, like I said, get the cable brackets, the transmission, then I can get this thing shifting. Get some water in that radiator, top that tranny back off. I'll probably just go ahead and change the oil on this thing again. I changed it when I first started doing this. I had the motor already in it, but it's been sitting for a long time. Probably wouldn't make no difference, but I was going to do it anyways. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.